Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Zumi laundry detergent is probably one of the most essential items in any household, and choosing the right one can make a world of difference in how clean and fresh your clothes come out of the wash. With so many options on the market, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, but we're here to help you navigate the choices and find the perfect detergent for your needs, ensuring your laundry day is a little bit easier and a lot more effective. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of messy liquid detergents? Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry with our innovative detergent sheets. They offer a powerful clean without the plastic waste. These sheets are designed to be kind to the planet, using a concentrated, liquidless formula. They effectively tackle tough stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Experience a powerful clean that's also gentle on your skin. Our formula is designed to be effective against dirt and grime while remaining mild and hypoallergenic. Whether you're using hot or cold water, these sheets dissolve completely. They work efficiently in all washing machine types, ensuring a perfect clean every time. Forget bulky plastic jugs. These compact sheets are perfect for travel, dorm rooms, or small spaces. Enjoy fresh, clean laundry wherever you go. Each package provides 60 loads of powerful cleaning power. Get ready for brilliantly clean clothes with a refreshing scent that lasts. What we like? This option is incredibly eco-friendly and comes in a convenient liquidless sheet format. Its travel-friendly design makes it perfect for those on the go. If you prioritize sustainability and convenience, especially when traveling or living in small spaces, this is an excellent choice. What people say? They dissolve well. I have used them on small loads with delicate items on cold often and have no issues. Pleasantly surprised. These work great. When I pulled out the first sheet, I thought there's no way this little piece of paper is going to clean my clothes. I live on a ranch. I get dirty. Not overly scented after a wash, my clothes smell clean and are clean. I am extremely impressed with how easily the sheets dissolve, though best to do that before adding clothes. We found it worked best for us to use a full sheet, swish the clothes around for a bit and let them soak for at least 30 minutes. That said, the clothes we washed didn't have a heavy scent at all, just clean and fresh. Number 4. Poesie Magnolia Scent Laundry Detergent Sheets. Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry. Our innovative sheets offer powerful cleaning without the mess of traditional detergents. Enjoy the delicate and refreshing scent of Magnolia with every wash. It leaves your clothes smelling wonderfully fresh and clean. Experience effective cleaning power in a convenient, liquidless format. These sheets dissolve completely, leaving no residue behind. Embrace a sustainable lifestyle with our zero-waste solution. The packaging is designed to minimize environmental impact. Ideal for traveling, dorm life, or simply saving space at home. They are compact and easy to store. Each pack provides enough sheets for 80 large loads of laundry. Get more washes from less space. What we like? Experience effective cleaning with a zero-waste approach and a generous load count. These sheets are designed to save space, making them ideal for dorm life or small apartments. If you're looking for a high-volume, environmentally conscious solution that minimizes clutter, this detergent is a great fit. What people say? This detergent has a great scent and leaves clothes smelling fresh. It is effective at removing tough stains, even after just one wash. The detergent is gentle on fabrics and does not cause fading. Number 3. 7th Generation EasyDose Laundry Detergent. Introducing the revolutionary EasyDose Laundry Detergent. It makes doing laundry simpler than ever before. Enjoy the calming and refreshing scent of fresh lavender with every wash. It leaves your clothes smelling delightful. This ultra-concentrated formula packs a powerful punch. You only need a small amount for a superior clean. Get more value with this convenient 2-pack. It ensures you're always stocked up for your laundry needs. It's designed to be tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. Experience a brilliant clean without compromising fabric care. The innovative EasyDose system dispenses the perfect amount every time. Say goodbye to measuring and guesswork. What we like? This ultra-concentrated formula features an easy-to-use dosing system for mess-free laundry. It's gentle on skin, making it suitable for sensitive individuals. If you appreciate convenience, precise measurement, and a formula that's kind to your skin, this is a fantastic option for your household. What people say. It has clean ingredients and it cleans my clothes just as good as any other brand that I've tried. My laundry always feels soft and stays smelling good. It's a very light, fresh, natural, plant-derived fragrance. Number 2. Swash smells like vacation heat ultra-concentrated liquid laundry detergent. Tired of dull laundry? Introducing a detergent that brings the scent of paradise right to your home. Experience a vacation for your senses with every wash. This powerful formula is designed to tackle tough stains and leave your clothes exceptionally clean. Its concentrated nature means a little goes a long way, saving you money and reducing waste. Designed for high-efficiency washing machines, it works effectively without using excess water. Enjoy a superior clean while being kind to your appliance and the environment. Keep your clothes smelling fresh and inviting for longer. The vacation-inspired fragrance lingers, ensuring your laundry feels as good as it looks. Make laundry day a breeze with this easy-to-use liquid detergent. Achieve professional-level cleaning results from the comfort of your home. What we like. Enjoy a delightful vacation scent with this ultra-concentrated liquid detergent. Its invigorating fragrance transforms laundry day into a sensory experience. If you love a strong, pleasant scent and want a powerful, efficient clean for your high-efficiency machine, this detergent will elevate your laundry routine. What people say. Does it work clean? Just one self-dispensing squeeze? Yes. Does it smell like vacation? Again, yes. Swash is a very good concentrated laundry detergent and I really like the Simply Sunrise scent. I like it so much that I've reordered it several times. It arrived intact with no leaks or damage, which is always a relief. Really love the small size. One could stash anywhere or take to the laundromat easily on a pinch. Number 1. Nonaste Liquid Laundry Detergent, Zen Fresh. Discover the power of Nonaste Liquid Laundry Detergent in the refreshing Zen Fresh scent. It's designed to keep your clothes looking and smelling their best. Specially formulated for your activewear, this detergent gently cleans workout clothes and more. It effectively removes odors and stains without compromising fabric integrity. Experience a gentle clean that's safe for all your fabrics, including colors. It leaves your laundry soft and vibrant after every wash. Enjoy the long-lasting Zen Fresh scent that keeps your clothes smelling great for days. This pack of 2 ensures you're always ready for laundry day. Make laundry day a breeze with this scented, gentle, and color-safe detergent. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your activewear and everyday clothes. What we like. Specifically designed for activewear, this liquid detergent effectively tackles odors and keeps colors vibrant. It's gentle yet powerful, perfect for workout clothes. If you're an athlete or frequently wear performance gear and need a detergent that cleans thoroughly without damaging fabrics or colors, this is the one for you. What people say. It takes care of stinky children, especially those who play sports. Easy to use, put it in your laundry and go. It does take the smell out and give you freshness, and I love it because it works better than other products. Nonaste is not merely a liquid. It is a cleansing ceremony. It doesn't shout. It doesn't brag. It just is. And it doesn't just wash your workout clothes, it liberates them. The funk, the sweat, the embedded memories of yesterday's exertion, gone. If you have stinky activewear, I could not recommend this more strongly. It has a nice fresh scent, and did not damage the garment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.